Welcome to ItzRafiq. In this video I am going to show you how we can create an unique email ID in Google Sheet and create password for its email ID. So here I have some information. I have two columns, name and date of birth. From the name I am going to create a unique email ID. First of all I'll type equal sign. Then we'll take from each side 4 characters or 3 characters. Suppose I'm from each side, I'm taking from right hand side 3 characters, left hand side 3 characters. For that we'll write left, and I'm taking from here 3 characters. So first the cell I will select, after that 3 and bracket close. After that ampersand symbol, again we'll take right, again we'll select name again. Now we'll take from right hand side also 3 characters. After that we'll take one unique number, because sometime what happens, the names are same. For that reason from left hand side I am going to take 2 characters. For that we'll write again ampersand symbol. Now from left only I am taking, so left. So we'll take 2 characters, that's why I am selecting date of birth and 2. So this will be our username. Now we have to write the domain name also. For that again ampersand symbol, and within double quotation gmail.com. We can write any email provider, whatever. Now we'll press enter button. So this is our unique email ID, and we can copy this formula to other cells and we'll get other email ID also as well. Now we have to create password for its email ID. For that now we are going to write first equal symbol. Now from name we'll take from left hand side 4 characters. For that we'll write left, then bracket we'll select the name, comma we'll take 4, and you may notice that when we use password the characters are mixing up with capital and small letters. For that reason we are going to use proper function also here. So let's remove the left part. Here we'll write proper, and inside proper again we'll have left. Inside left we'll have the name, comma we'll take 4 characters. After that we'll take one special characters, so we'll take ampersand, and here I am taking hash symbol. After that we'll again close the quotation, again ampersand symbol. Now we'll write another formula. From date of birth we'll take last 4 digits. For that we'll take right, then bracket opening, we'll select date of birth and we'll write 4. Now we'll press enter button. So this will be the password. Asking me to copy the formula, so we'll copy it. So the first email ID's password will be capital R AHU hash symbol 2005. So this way we can easily create a unique email ID and password for multiple accounts. This is mainly for who are using, suppose someone is using Google professional services or some from Microsoft professional email services for school or offices. Then by this method easily they can create unique email ID and password in Google Sheets or in MS Excel, and this ID can be given, ID and password can be given to the user, and this is as well you can upload into that particular portal. So I hope you have understood how we can create the unique email ID and password. In email ID I have missed one thing. I am showing you here. I forgot to give an email @ symbol, so we can add it here. So this way we can give @ symbol also. Let's copy it. So this is the way to create a unique email ID. If you have still any confusions, you can ask me in comment section. Definitely I'll help you. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.